No time to cook between work deadlines and life's demands? Think again. I have a quick, wholesome, and yummy alternative rice dish that can keep your energy up for hours. You don't have to settle for the usual unhealthy choices. I'm Dr. Hanz, and we're starting our mission at the supermarket. Hi there, we're here at Whole Foods, and we're here to grab a couple of ingredients to our recipe for chicken cauliflower fried rice. Follow me inside. This looks whiter and it's heavier, and overall it just looks fresher. So make sure that you pick the freshest cauliflower heads. We also have several options here. This is actually rice cauliflower. You don't have to chop it or put it in the food processor. We're gonna grab some mushrooms. From our previous videos, if you remember, mushrooms is packed with vitamin E. Definitely this is a really good meat substitute if you're trying to cut down on animal fats. And when you're trying to get the best chicken, I would recommend for you to take the one that's air-chilled, organic, and pasture-raised. There are different types of processing for chicken. And one of the pitfalls, or one of the problems with it, is contamination. And the more water that you lose in the processing, the more chances of contamination there is. So, chicken that's processed, air-chilled, uses less water. And it actually has less moisture in it. So you get more of the chicken and less of the water. So just a quick tip. And don't forget that if you handle any poultry products like chicken or egg, you have to sanitize your hands, make sure it's clean, because chicken has several bacteria that can be present, including salmonella or shigella that can make you really sick, diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and even a severe infection.